How to enable check-in on Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable check-ins on your Facebook page. So if you want visitors to be able to check in when they visit your page, here is what you need to do. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in your menu section, simply tap on your page name at the top. And once you are on the page, simply scroll down to the About section and simply open it. Now here, you can simply click on Edit Public Details button. And after that, you can simply find the address option. And now to enable check-ins, all you have to do is just add an address to your page. So simply tap on address button, and after that on the new page simply tap on add address. Now after that you can enter details like a street name, city, zip code and map location. And once you're done with all that, simply save the changes and your check-ins will be enabled. And that's it. That's how you can enable check-in on Facebook page. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.